Hey y'all, I know it's been a hot minute, but I'm feeling a bit sciencey today and I'm hoping y'all want to nerd out with me and make some glazes together. So let's go downstairs to the scary basement and get a little messy. Okay, I want to make a beautiful yellow glaze and I'm imagining this yellow glaze to be beautiful accents to the tableware, so it could be like beautiful large vases. And it has a bit of a glittery kind of metallic to it. So I'm gonna get started on that. By the way, this glaze is not food safe. It has black nickel oxide, which is the toxic ingredient. So I'm thinking of this more for centerpieces versus actual tableware used for like plates or dishes. Let me get started by tearing my machine. Cool. For wetting, I need 4.8. I'm going to jump to EPK. We need 10.4 grams. I have a large bag of custard that I got years ago, and I'm so glad I got it because apparently they don't sell custard anymore. Dolomite is next. We need 24 grams. That's my dolomite. Okay, next we have Frit 3134. We need 12.7. Grams of titanium dioxide, okay, black nickel oxide. This is the toxic ingredient that we need to be careful with. And we only need 2.2 grams of this, and then of course 2 grams of bentonite. I'm going to do the bentonite first. For 40 milliliters of water to start. It's 40. I did 50 milliliters of water here. Okay, so I've sieved it. Now this is the piece I'm going to do with the yellow color. I would like to pause here to say it didn't quite come out exactly how I wanted, and I definitely need to do a bit more tests to get it closer to the glittery yellow that I was looking for, but I do love the way it came out. I feel like it's a happy accident, and I feel like it's giving Spanish moss a way that it looks a bit matte and it has this greenish undertone to it. I'm kind of curious from y'all after watching this video. I would love to hear your feedback, or maybe if you could see where I messed up, and how we can get it closer to the glittery yellow that I was looking for originally.